everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be doing an ornament makeover. So if you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Because if I get 100 subscribers by Christmas, I have a really fun and exciting video that I will do. Also, make sure to go check out my Instagram. I will link it in the description box down below, and my Instagram name will pop up right here. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So I have these two really pretty ornaments. I have this Merry Christmas one, and I have this Noel one. So these are the two things I'm going to be painting on, and I think I might start with the Christmas one, and I will do the Noel one after I finish this one. I'm now going to get everything set up, and I will be right back. So I just finished cleaning everything up, and I have my paint palette, water, napkin, my ornament, paint pens, paint brushes. So I think I have everything I need, and now, without further ado, let's get painting. Just finished painting this ornament, and this is how it looks. I really like it, and I added a really pretty rose gold along the ornament, and then for Mary I added red. For Christmas I added silver. For the little star for the eye I added some yellow, and then for these really cool designs I painted them a really pretty green. Now it's time for me to paint this really pretty Noel ornament. Just finished painting both of the ornaments, and I will be back to you once I finish cleaning everything up. So I just finished cleaning everything up, and I have to Mod Podge the ornaments, but first I'm going to show you them. You've kind of already seen them, but I'm going to go ahead and show you again. So this is the first one. And I already told you the colors that I used on this one. It is so pretty. I really like it. Then this is the other one, the Noel one. And I really like this one. This one's my favorite. So I added a white on the Noel part with some glitter. And I did some dark green and light green on the wreath. And then I didn't really know what those were, so I added them red. They could be pine cones, but I really like the red because it looks more Christmassy. So since I did this one first, I'm going to Mod Podge it first. And here's my Mod Podge. It's the glossy Mod Podge, and I just have a paintbrush to apply it. Also, always make sure to wash your paintbrush off after you use Mod Podge, because if you don't, your paintbrush is ruined. Because this one has not finished drying for the paint yet, I'm going to add the Mod Podge later. But I added the Mod Podge to this one, and as you can see, it has little white specks. But that will go away after a while once it finishes drying. So yeah, these are great gifts for family and friends and so fun to make. This is now the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.